Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. If this is your first time here, I'm Lindsay Peters. On my channel we talk about all things financial, saving, budgeting, and I do saving challenges from time to time, so check out for those. I also share my investment journey of stocks and shares and crypto with you guys as well. So in today's video, we'll be having a look at the Clover Finance tokens, and we will be going over the questions and answers so you can earn $3 in CLV coins. If you'd like to find out more about Coinbase, I'll link a video on top where I did a full tutorial about Coinbase. So before we get started, just remember, if you would like to join me on Coinbase, use my link in the description below. When you sign up, then if you buy or sell $100 in crypto, you will earn $10 in Bitcoin, and you'll also be able to earn all these free crypto on Coinbase. Clover Finance. We can earn $3 in CLV tokens here on Coinbase just by doing a few lessons and answering the questions. So let's go and have a look at the first lesson. So as always, you can go through all of these yourself or just click take the quiz. So the first question is, what can developers build with Clover Finance? And the answer is dApps with cross-chain compatibility. There you go, you've earned your first $US in CLV coins. Now if you like this so far, please smash the like button so it turns blue, and let's get on to the next lesson. So let's get on to the questions and answers. So the question is, what can you use to interact with dApps? And the answer is your Clover Financial Wallet. And there you go, you've earned another $US. If you like this type of context, please make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. And let's go to the next lesson. Let's go straight to the last question. So the last question is, Clover Finance want to increase the usefulness of accessibility of, and the answer to that is DeFi. And there you go, you've earned $3 in CLV coins. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a financial coach. So please make sure you always do your own stock research before you invest your money. I'm just sharing my opinion and my investment journey with you, but I'm not a professional investor. I'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to give me a call to discuss any of the topics of my videos. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up to let me know, and make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. If you've got any topic requests or any questions for me, please comment below and I'll get back to you personally. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye.